crazy, berserker.
Oh, it's an opening here. His teammates swarming.
Here's Ronaldo, confident pass. Messi shoots,
And he struck it so sweetly.
Go crazy.
Winter time added on now. Is this a goal? Great goal. Oh, it's an opening here. His teammates swarming.
Previously on Road to Glory.
He's got the goal in his sights.
he's scored a brace. Special new player has been added to the team.
I will love you endlessly if you'd only believe.
Great finish.
Okay. He stayed onside. And there's the shot.
Defenders are looking, that's a rash challenge there.
Well, he's going to be off. It's a straight red.
Nice.
Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you
This
want
a
that thing
goal.
over there, homie.
That's out for a corner kick.
Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I'm gonna get away, but I know.
Quad.
You got to admire skill like that. Confident pass. What a well-timed tackle. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up.
A few moments later.
Nope. Nope.
He goes for goal!
Ronaldo!
Well taken goal.
Finish it. Mbappe.
Well taken goal.
LOL!
Ronaldo rises like from distance.
Nice.
This impressive signing to...
Oh
And he's looking for the assist. And he scored!
Oh, hell no.
Mbappe! Oh, they've drawn level. Believe what you're seeing. There's a double whistle.
Nope.
Surely now.
A few moments later.
Nope.
Oh, he shoots. Oh, it's in.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The strike.
They could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper.
no!
Is this the moment?
Neymar! 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 Neymar!
Top class finish there.
No, 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 no.
The shot's on. Here's the shot.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
And he
Come
struck
get
it
some.
so sweetly.
I don't think you have any idea.
assistant gets his flag down. He's